Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this fifth day of February 2026. We just closed the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today live. So here's how it all went down. The sellers made a big move on the way down here. They got caught up on some Fibonacci's, and then they get our favorite indicator, which is our strong candle indicator, saying go ahead and take this trade long. That's what we're going to do. So we look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 140 and 160 ticks long. We can only use a shorter ATM. So we're going to do 20s, 50s, and 100s just so we keep the price under what's acceptable to the fabulous tube. And here's how it all went down in the room today. So here we go. Might as well get the order ready. Market's still pretty hot, moving very, very well. That's a nice push down. Go for the body of the candle. When we get picked up, we'll speed it up, although I don't think we need to speed it up that much. So last major failure point's down here. Now notice when we hit our first target, look what happens to the stop. We're going to de-risk the trade completely at that point. Now we will get another order ready just in case it takes us out at break even, but there's a buy order. We'll have it up there if we need it. So if it takes our first target out and then comes back and takes our stop out at break even, we can re-enter the trade. Taking a little bit of time to get that first target taken out. But just hang in there. There you go. See how the stop went from all the way down here to minus 18. So 20s are out. The stop's at minus 18. We got 40 ticks for the market to play around in and try to get to our second target. Now we can speed it up a bit now. Well, maybe we should wait. Because it might come back and take us out here. But that's why we give it some room to maneuver. It comes back and takes everybody out, and then we can re-enter the trade. All right, so the first one was a break even. We made 20s minus fees. Then we got stopped at minus 18. So we paid fees, and it was a break even trade the first time through. So now we wait for it to come through again. If it just decides that it wants to run short, we're not even involved. But if it does come back here and double fail, which would make perfect sense if we use Fibonacci, there's a 50. So it fails there at the 50 and picks this up. That's beautiful. So our ATM worked perfectly. Again, put our stop where it belongs. Wait for the first target to be taken out. When it does, we'll de-risk the trade again. And we'll put another order on the screen in case the same thing happens again. Now we can speed this up a bit. So once it takes off pretty quickly. Boom, there we go. Now we're break even. Second time through, takes out our second target. Now we can only make money in this trade. Boom. That trade took about 3.5 minutes to complete and was worth, because we got in twice, was worth $1,000 US. So if you want to learn how to make $1,000 US in 3.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. Home of some very unique indicators which make trading a breeze. So we'll look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless you, and we'll see you then.